Whatever you are doing now, AI can help you to do it faster, easier. We just have to embrace this AI. I built this photo mixing app with an AI prompt. Let me show you how I build it. So I just go to this AI called Bots. So you can see I just tell the bot AI, help me build a photo merger app that allow me to upload photo and then merge it together. See this is my prompt. So I will just click on next now. I click on merge. This is now registered with them. It's now generating the code for me and generating the preview. You can see it's currently building. The AI is still building it. See the process is building it and it's going. You can see it's still writing the HTML and the CSS. It's going to the preview now. Voila, the app is coming up. Wow. See the app. From a single prompt, I built this full app. You can see it, right? So let's test it. Let's test it together. I will select one to upload my video. Let me upload this. And I can then select, upload the second one. Select, upload the third one. You can see these are the three photos. I then click merge photo. You can see the result there. It merged the three together down here. Wow, I can click on download. Wow, these are download to my laptop. You can see the three photos merged together. This app is good and I can publish it online. You see it. I will publish, I will deploy. Click on deploy now. This will start deploying it. You can see it's deploying it. It has deployed successfully. This is the link. I will put the link in the comment section. I'm able to build the full app now with just a single prompt. AI is here to help us. Peace out.